Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to this review of MyConversionKit. This is Akin here, and I'm going to be showing you what MyConversionKit is all about in this review. And also, most importantly, I've also put together some high quality custom bonuses for you to make sure you get the best out of MyConversionKit. This is my bonus page, and then you find the link to this page in the description of this video. So MyConversionKit allows you to create conversion elements that you can go and place on your website to boost your website conversions. If you've experienced visitors landing on your website or your affiliate offers without taking action, then you can actually come and create these elements that would actually make visitors take certain actions on your website, like making purchases on your website or taking certain actions on your website that you want your visitors to take. So MyConversionKit allows you to install these elements on your website. One of them is the hello bar plus timer. And you also have the urgency timer. You can use this campaign to generate fear of missing out. That's FOMO amongst your customer. So what you need to do, and you have different types of elements that you can actually set up. You have the geo redirection that actually allows you to redirect customers from certain parts of the world that land on your page. You can then redirect these visitors to a particular page that is relevant to that geographical location. You have the image pop-up that allows you to show pop-up images to anyone that lands on your website. You also have the video pop-up. You have the exit intent. So when some visitors want to actually exit your page to go to something else, this actually shows up and kind of maybe gives them a certain offer that makes them take action instead of just leaving, or something else that just allows you to convert these visitors into customers and eventually do exactly what you want them to do. You also have the opt-in forms with the hello bar and timer. You have the opt-in forms, so anyone that tries to exit your website, even if they are not ready to purchase yet, you can easily take those details and then you can remarket to these leads later on. So this is actually a useful tool if you have experienced visitors coming to your website without taking action. So you are going to get a number of elements right here you can actually implement on your website to boost your conversions. And this works on almost any kind of website you are using. If you are using a WordPress website, this works with WordPress. This works with Magento. This works with Coventry, works with ClickFunnels. It works with WooCommerce, which is actually an extension of WordPress. It works on Shopify. It also works with any Warrior Plus offer you want to create or you are promoting. So let's just create a campaign right now to see how this works. Let's create a hello bar plus timer. So let's just click here and let's give this a name. Click on next. And then we can actually select how our bar is going to look. We can click on preview to display how it's going to look on our website. And let's just select this one, and we can then go ahead and select text. Price goes up in 2 hours. and then we can customize how this is going to show up. Let's put the background color as red, and let's put text color as white. So this shows up right here, and also the bar you can select where it's going to show up, either top or bottom. Also, let's go to the timer. We can select timer. There are options for timer here. You can select, let's select date and time based, and let's select an end time for this particular timer, and also select time. So, and you can see that the time is running right now. And also you can select what happens when the timer expires, if it should redirect to a particular page or if the timer should be hidden. Let's just select hide the timer after expiration. And also let's go to our call to action. This is what prompts our visitors to actually take action. Get instant access. And also we can select the background color. Let's make this black. And also we can choose where this link goes when people visit or when people click on that link. Let's say redirect a new tab, and then let's put the link here. Let's say it goes to Google, and then we go ahead and click on save. But before we do that, we need to also add a trigger, and this is the website. This is supposed to be the website where the bar would actually show up. This is where you want to put the hello bar. So let's just add a website. So, and then you can then go ahead and click on save. So you can see that our campaign has been saved successfully, and that's exactly how it's actually going to show up on our website. And then you can create different types of campaigns right from inside of MyConversionKit, and that's how MyConversionKit works. So right now I'm going to be showing you the custom bonuses that I've also put together to ensure you get the best from MyConversionKit. So MyConversionKit launches today, 1st of August by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. My first bonus, you are going to need to actually drive high quality traffic to your pages before even talking about converting these visitors into customers. So this first bonus is a cloud-based software that allows you to drive high quality traffic from Instagram. You are going to be able to connect multiple Instagram accounts. You are also going to be able to post to this Instagram account right from this cloud-based software. You'll be able to repost viral content from other Instagram users, and also you'll be able to schedule your post to actually go out in the future, either post to your Instagram stories or to your pages. You'll be able to schedule this to go out in the future. You'll be able to use and copy trending hashtags from other Instagram users. This actually guarantees high quality traffic in any niche for you. So what you need to do is put the link to your pages in the bio of this Instagram account, in the bio of your Instagram account. Also, bonus number 2, you will be getting a premium training that shows you how to profit promoting ClickBank affiliate products. ClickBank is a large affiliate network with a vast variety of affiliate products to promote. Also, bonus number 3, you'll be getting access to a premium PDF training where I actually show you how to create your own website with WordPress. So even if you have zero experience with website creation, this PDF training actually shows you how to set up your own WordPress website, how to get hosting, how to set up your domain name. You learn how to go ahead and do all of that in this PDF training. Also, bonus number 4, you'll be getting access to another training that shows you how to make money on Fiverr. Fiverr is a marketplace where you can actually offer services and then get paid for these services. And also, bonus number 5, you'll be getting access to all the vendor bonuses in addition to my own bonuses, just to get the best out of MyConversionKit. So what you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of the blue buttons on this page. And if you click on any of the blue buttons on this page, it's going to take you to the sales page of MyConversionKit, which looks like this. And this is where you're going to be able to pick up MyConversionKit, and also you're going to be getting full information about this cloud-based software. So here it says, attention, one single line of code gives you up to 330% more leads and sales, recovers 50 to 86% lost traffic. So come check out this page in your own time to get more information about MyConversionKit. So now I'm going to be showing you the pricing and also the optional upgrade. The front end actually goes for $37, and that's going to be the personal license for MyConversionKit. There's going to be a commercial license, and that's going to go for $47. And then the optional upgrades, the first one is the MyConversionKit agency that goes for $97. The second one is the MyConversionKit Pro that goes for $67, and then the third and final one is the MyConversionKit Club that goes for $97 also. So that's going to be my review for MyConversionKit. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.